Hi there, it's Carrie, the core chemist. I just got a notification that the validation report was certified in the FUDSChem library. Connor, the contractor, said he's completed his review of their validation subcontractor's work, which means it's ready for me to review and approve the qualifiers. Before I log into FUDSChem, I know there's a checklist that the EMCX put together that I can download to help guide my review. I'll check out Resources, System Documentation, and here it is. I'll download this review checklist and open it up. Okay, I'll need the DVR Review Checklist tab. I'll keep this open to help me if I need it. I know that it's not required, so I may be okay without it. I'll go ahead and log in and get to the right district. Then I'll want to pull up the data validation report in the library. That's under Tools, Library, File Submission. And it should be on the Pending Approval tab. There it is. I can click on the title to open it up, or I could download it. I'll probably want to compare this to the chemistry data itself for my review. So I'll open that up under Reports, Chemistry Reports, Chemistry Results by SDG Preliminary. I'll also want to compare what the validator saw in the data with what the laboratory put into their report and case narrative, so I'll need that laboratory report as well. I can find that by going to Library, then choosing my project, and clicking on Laboratory Reports. I'll use the search bar to find the SDG in question. I can open the report in a new tab by clicking the title, or I could download it by right-clicking the title. Okay, I'll start my review. Alright, I've reviewed the validation report, checked some things against the lab data, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. So I'd say this is ready to approve. I'll approve the validation report in the library first. So I'll go back to Tools, Library, File Submission. I'll click the notepad icon next to the file name, which opens up the metadata. I'm happy with how this is named, and all the dropdowns look accurate, which is great. Before I approve, I'll set it to automatically notify my contractor, Connor, and the validator, Vincent, so they will know that I've approved the file. Then I'll click Save and Approve. I'll also approve the qualifiers for the SDG in the interface. That's under Tools, Data Sample Qualification. I'll make sure I have the right project and the right SDG. If there was anything that needed to be changed, I could click Unapprove and ask for updates. But this is actually looking good to me, so I'll click Screen. This is going to screen the SDG to make sure nothing weird has happened with the data during validation. This looks like it's all good, so I'll go ahead and click Approve. That makes it disappear, but the SDG should now be available in Final Chemistry Reports. All right, that SDG is approved. I'll need to take care of any other SDGs for this event, then we'll be ready to start the data usability assessment.
For those of you watching, thanks for being here with us. We go over many topics from this video in greater depth in our tutorial videos, linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. If you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.